Hello. Today I'm going to tell you few things about student life in University of Dundee. I'm going to list few things and then you can decide whether you love them or you hate them. One of the best things about University of Dundee is it is in heart of a city. So you need to walk maximum 15 to 20 minutes from your accommodation to university if you're not living in the halls. So yes, city is well connected. You have bus services as well, but walking saves you on transport cost. Cost of living. There's a low cost of living in Dundee as compared to places like Edinburgh, London of course. I'm going to deal with this in detail in some other video. For now, from my experience, I can surely say the cost of living is very low in Dundee as compared to other cities. If you're looking for a busy city, then Dundee is not the place. You won't find a lot of hustle bustle here. It's an easygoing place. So, if you like calmness, natural beauty and an easygoing life, opt for Dundee. This doesn't mean that nightlife is missing. I'll talk about that as well. Union is very active. It's in the middle of the campus and practically every night you have something or the other happening in the nightclub. So, you can enjoy nightlife at Dundee as well. And as I said, your accommodation is usually a walk away, so it's easier to have a night out. Not just the nightclub. Union's got games room, there's a cafe, and there's a bar. So you've got it all inside the campus. There's not much in store for shopping buffs. You'll have to go to Edinburgh for that. You can practically cover city centre in less than a day. If you're not fond of walking, that too in hilly area, it's going to be a problem. There are lots of hilly areas in Dundee. It's fun to go down, but hard to come up. There is one issue for international students specifically. There is no international airport at Dundee, so you'll have to travel to Glasgow or Edinburgh every time you want to travel home. One of my biggest issues in settling down, finding an accommodation. It was a challenge. It took me over a month to find one for myself. I was looking for an independent accommodation. I'm going to tell you in detail and give you some tips about finding an accommodation in Dundee. But yes, it's a challenge, for now at least. Like I said, cost of living is low. That includes your rental as well. The rentals in Dundee is about 20% less than Edinburgh. Staff is very friendly. At least I can say that for my course. They respond to your emails, they take care of your personal issues as well, your issues related to your career, issues related to the course at present. So you have someone to talk to always in the university, be it related to education or related to your personal problems. So to sum it all, if you like hustle bustle and not small cities, then don't come to Dundee. If you like beautiful, calm cities with an easy life, then Dundee is for you. If you want to pay more rent, then don't come to Dundee. If you're looking for a good education and a supportive university, then you can come to Dundee. If you're looking for a good place with lots of shopping malls, then Dundee is not the place. If you're not fond of walking and you hate hills, then don't come to Dundee. If you love exploring nature and walking around, then come to Dundee. And that will be all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Like, subscribe and do let me know if you want any specific information regarding University of Dundee, Scotland or UK. I can provide as per best of my experience. See you soon. Bye bye.